guys.
This is the
House. Dress. This is the dress. Udah keluar, guys. Wow. Looks like a snake. It's blue color, guys. Wow.
bikin gulali pakai marshmallow.
Udah jadi, guys. Mari kita coba. Mama mia, yummy.
This is mine.
No, right.
Nine. Nine. Okay, for you. I got this.
Next bikin pakai apa lagi, guys? Komen di bawah ya.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.